By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to know what is meant by prey and predators and how their numbers in a community are related. The food chain starts with green plants, and that the primary consumers will eat the green plant, so they are called herbivores. On the other hand, secondary and tertiary consumers will eat other animals, and we call the consumers that eat other animals as predators, and those who are eaten are known as the prey. And depending on their position in the food chain, many animals can be both the predator and the prey. For example, in this food chain, the mouse will be eaten by the snake, and the snake will be eaten by the owl. The mouse is the primary consumer, and it is at the same time the prey because it is eaten by the snake. The snake will be the predator because it will eat the mouse. At the same time, the snake is the prey because it is eaten by the owl. So, in this food chain, the snake is the predator and the prey at the same time. Finally, it is important to mention that in a stable community, the numbers of the predators and the prey will rise and fall in linked cycles. So, as you can see here, the number of the prey and the predators will increase and decrease throughout the cycle. So, for example, if there is plenty of food available, the prey animals will grow and reproduce, so their number will increase. And because the number of the prey animals go up, then there will be enough food for the predators, so the predators can reproduce, and therefore their number will increase also. Now, because we have high number of the predators, so they will eat more prey animals, so the prey number will fall as a result. And because we have fewer prey animals, then there is less food for the predators, so their number will decrease also. And this cycle will be repeated more and more in this stable community.